Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Praveen Babar from Jawaharlal Nehru University. Today we are going to discuss on the module called LIBSYS from paper Information Communication and Technology for Libraries. So students, let's see what we are going to learn from this module. We will be learning about the LIBSYS software, its historical development and its development by the company called LIBSYS. We will be discussing about the Libsys versions. We will be discussing special features of Libsys. We will be also seeing the implementation of Libsys at an institution called IGNOU, which is Indira Gandhi National Open University. Further, we will be discussing about the latest version of Libsys, which is Libsys 7. Finally, we will be comparing Libsys 7 with Libsys 4 version. To introduce Libsys, Libsys is a New Delhi based software company which is known as Infotech Consultants Pvt Ltd, which has a mission of library automation. This company is engaged in providing software solutions since the year 1984. Libsys is integrated multi-user library management software that caters to the need of an advanced library and information professionals. It provides a tree structure system with each system comprising of several subsystems having unmatchable depth in functionality. The LIBSYS is a group of integrated multi-user library management systems. It runs on various platforms such as Unix, Novel, Novelan, Windows NT, Windows XP, and many others. It is built around its own bibliographic database following ANSI Z39.2 format and supports variable field lengths for different type of documents. It is a powerful software written in C, C++, and Java, providing extremely user-friendly interface during operations. Although Libsys is based on its own bibliographic database, it is also available for environment using Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL as backend with RDBMS. Full graphical user interface, that is GUI, frontend is provided for the Windows client. The company is now known as Libsys Limited and is the leading provider for library management systems across India and offers solutions such as library automation systems, RFIDs, digital resource management systems, and many other platforms. The historical development of the company shows that the Libsys company was incorporated with the software development projects for general insurance and reinsurance business in 1984. In the year 1988, Libsys 3 version was released and first installation at NIC and DOE. Libsys reached overseas with installation at Universidad Nacional, Costa Rica for Spanish language in 1995. Similarly, British Council adopted Libsys for India and South Asia in the same year. With the centennial year in 2000, Y2K migration and client-server Libsys 4 was released, which became the most popular version of Libsys in India. In the year 2003, the L-Smart RFID system was developed at Bank of Baroda at Mumbai, India, and LS Digital Resource Management System and LS Premia Multi-Suite were installed. Libsys 7, the state-of-art globally competitive web-based LMS, was launched in 2008. Finally, in the year 2010, the company became a limited company as Libsys Limited and launched LS Academia, an ERP for academic institutes. Libsys company is also moving to new areas under its own subsidiary LSTech Ventures Pvt Ltd. These include an ERP-based software product for total automation of academic campuses like LS Academia, The company has also started the enterprise learning system for formulation and end-to-end implementation of learning strategy, talent management, and knowledge management for complete employee development. The RFI-based file and document tracking system for maintaining visibility of moving files in or out of the departments is used as file tracking system. Libsys, the LMS version 7, is the latest version provided by the company. There are four major versions of Libsys. The first is LSEs. LSEs is basic library management modules of Libsys, giving prospects a low cost and high value proposition. It is based on the client-server architecture and gives user a blend of technology advantage and ease of use. LSEs requires minimal data entry and facilitates easy data backup. The second is LS Academia, which is a complete ERP solution to manage an academic campus, be it in a school, college, or an institute. It seamlessly integrates different administrative departments and ensures a smooth flow of information among them. It is a user-friendly Advantage GUI interface which is platform independent and has industry-standard browser interface. LS Academia has robust interfacing with email, SMS, payment gateway, biometrics, RFID, and provides customized integrated reports. The solution has ease of maintenance, enhancement, and customization. Libsys 4 is one of the very popular version of Libsys which can be run on various platforms such as Unix, Novel, LAN, Windows NT, and many more. Libsys 4 has been built around its own bibliographical database following NSI Z39.2 format and supports variable field lengths for different type of documents. While the latest version is Libsys 7, which was launched in the year 2008, this version is a true realization of Lib 2.0 and provides end-to-end manageability of the library operations through its comprehensive 7 modules. As a web-based solution, it provides platform independence and advanced OPAC. Libsys 7 provides the competency with GWT-based GUI graphic user interface with multitasking feature. The Libsys 7 fully supports Unicode and provides federated searching with customizable looks. It also supports user notification through email and SMS and provides RSS feeds and integration with Google Books, Bookfinder, and many more. Libsys 7 has interactive features like online reviews, ratings, renewals, reservations, and many more to deliver patron satisfaction. Libsys 7 is a standard compliance for Mark 21, Unicode, SRU, SRW, Z39.50, NICP protocol, and SICI barcode protocol. LS Digital is document digitization software provided by the company and is used by the libraries for the purpose of easy management, multi-access, reduction on storage space of the document, and the preservation against spoilage of rare books, research papers, important documents, and archived newspapers, maps, etc. The software has been designed to facilitate easy searching of the text in the document. LS Digital is a complete digital resource management system which has standard compliance with OAI for metadata harvesting and doubling core. The software provides implicit integration with Libsys database, and the full text and bibliographic searching of documents can be done through Libsys OPAC. The software converts different data into format of choice like PDF, doc format, and defines an organized data structure and flow according to the needs. LS Digital also supports various image manipulations. The module includes resource structure, scanning, version maintenance, format conversion, resource database, maintenance, and searching and retrievals. Let us discuss some of the special features of Libsys. Libsys has an open system architecture. It has a three-tier architecture since its inception and its continuous transition from a host multi-user system to client-server implementation, and finally total web-based solution. Libsys has a powerful and user-friendly web OPAC along with a window-based OPAC. Similarly, one of the special features of Libsys is that it provides online validation of input data prior to updating the database. It prompts and gives the suitable messages, and it is flashed when the data does not match, and lookup tables are provided which help us and when required. Further, Libsys handles Indian languages and scripts using ISM publisher and gist of CDEC. There is an addition of Unicode support in Libsys that facilitates handling of both international and Indian languages. Image and multimedia files can be integrated with Libsys search engine. They may be browsed in multi-windows interface with standard Windows features. It provides various formats and handles bitmap, BMP, that is TIFF, then WAV, MIDI, mid, audiovisual interface like AVI, and many more. Libsys can also handle digital contents along with various multimedia files and electronic resources. Its implementation of a virtual library is a distinct possibility in it. The barcode printing is another feature, which is an inbuilt utility which facilitates printing of barcode labels for identification of books and other materials. The capability of thesaurus construction is used for searching for synonyms as well as broader and narrow terms in Libsys. It also supports resource sharing through Z39.50 compliant. It has the Libsys has a search engine which makes possible connectivity on networks and sharing of the resources. IGNOU library procured a integrated software Libsys to automate all the housekeeping operations in 1990. At the time of installation in year 1990, there were 13,000 records which were transported to Libsys on Xanax operating system from CDSIS. In 1991, Libsys with DOS operating system was acquired by the IGNOU as a Xanax version which had a limitation of capacity. It was installed on PC 286 and was transferred to PC 386 later. In 1993, Libsys with Unix operating system was networked in all the sections of IGNOU library using 12 terminals. Finally, in the year 1999, the Libsys 4 was installed on Red Hat system of Linux in the IGNOU library. Libsys 4 version is used in IGNOU library and has 6 modules. As you can see on the screen, these modules include acquisition, cataloging, circulation, serials, article indexing, and OPAC module. Besides that, it has setups, tables, and utilities for the functioning of the Libsys. The acquisition system of Libsys deals with the ordering of library materials, monitoring their receipts, invoice processing, and accessioning. It also maintains expenditure and budget analysis under a variety of accounts headings. Libsys provides the facility to add the data relating to purchases, gifts, and exchanges. The acquisition process in Libsys consist of selecting materials, placing orders, arranging exchange of books, receiving books, accessioning them, and billing and invoice processing of these books. The acquisition process starts by entering a title in the system with available bibliographic and procurement data and requesting a vendor. The system checks for the duplication in the catalog as well as in the titles on order file. Title is acquired against the firm order, the bibliographical details are filed in, and order is placed. The title is then received, invoiced, accessioned, and a request for payment is sent. The procedure can be seen on the screen. The table on the screen shows the structure of the acquisition model. It has 4 processes: initiate title, approval process, ordering and invoicing. The other functions are common in all the modules with the respective functions. The screen shows the layout of the acquisition module. The functions of acquisition module includes checking titles for duplication, procuring approval for new titles, placing orders. It also includes receiving, supplies, invoicing, accessioning, and requisition for payment. Libsys acquisition module acquires option in which queries related to acquisition can be seen or printed, like title, orders, invoices, vendors, budget heads, accession registers, and many more. The various reports can also be generated by the system, which includes approval form, purchase order, the titles on order list, payment request, overdue notices, accession register, bill invoice register, etc. The Libsys acquisition module also maintains records for budget heads, vendors, exchange rates for various currencies, and many more. Similarly, it has a system setup and search facility. The cataloging system of Libsys provides online catalogs in the various orders as was maintained in traditional libraries. Additionally, it makes available instant listings under a variety of searchable fields to suit the requirement of the modern reference center. Other than data entry facility, the Libsys has additional facility to accept data in standard machine readable formats such as CCF, ISO 2709, MARC, that is ANSI Z39X, and many more. This makes possible import and export of bibliographic data in standard exchange formats, meeting specific requirements of any library. The system provides facilities to generate bibliographies, current awareness services, and SDI, which is selective dissemination of information. So the cataloging process in Libsys starts either by selecting title in process, which have gone through the acquisition process, or by a new entry. The maintenance function allows for maintaining a title, such as removing it, changing its accession number, merging the titles in case of multiple copies we have, then attaching multimedia files, and many other features are included. Then we have existing holdings of a library can be entered into the database through the retrospective conversion function also. Titles which are entered through this function will not be a part of the new additions list. So data can be imported from other databases too. The cataloging process starts either by selecting titles in process, which has gone through the acquisition process, or by a new entry. The maintenance function allows for maintaining a title, such as removing it, changing its accessioning number, merging the titles in case of multiple copies, attaching multimedia files, etc. Existing holdings of a library can be entered into database through retrospective conversion function. Titles which are entered through this function will not be a part of new additions list. Data can be also imported from other databases too. It also provides the services like current awareness, SDI service, online searches, and printing of catalog cards and barcodes. The screen table shows certain functions which are necessary for maintaining the library catalog, like the main functions are title in process, enter title, update holdings, remove title, subject updates, title by accession number, change accession number, retrospective conversion, change type of document, accessioning, merge titles, authority file, synonyms, thesaurus, multimedia. The other functions includes online searches, current awareness, bibliographics, selective dissemination of information, print catalog, cards, reports, system setup, housekeeping, data import and export, and stock verification. The screen shows the cataloging module of Libsys 4 with its function maintenance, online searches, current awareness, bibliography, SDI print catalog cards, print card reports, system setup, housekeeping, data import and export, and stock verification are the functionalities which comes under the cataloging module. Cataloging module also facilitates Boolean searches, updating the user of new additions to the library collections and information dissemination to users on the basis of their areas of interest and through the online searches, current awareness, and SDI functions. It also permits printing of the cataloging card and report generation. The cataloging module also facilitates data import export process, which is used to transfer the bibliographic data available in standard machine readable formats such as MARC, ISO 2709, Dialog, etc. to Libsys and vice versa. The module provides for inventory or stock verification of a library's collection. The circulation system of Libsys maintains up-to-date membership records as well as the latest status of the collection meant for circulation. It performs all the functions related to circulation by providing suitable checks at every stage. It takes care of the infrequent but routine functions such as binary record management, books on display in the library, then latest editions of the library, and many more. The various functions related to the circulation system are like memory records, front desk operations, then we have collection updates, reservations, recall or follow-ups, interlibrary loan things, serial circulations, fine collection, management reporting. Circulation process has two processes. The first is the member records, which is used to set up some parameters regarding the members, their checkouts, member category, subject of SDI, reasons for cancellation of membership, or declaring a member delinquent, etc. The second is the collection update, which provides the checkout of back issues, binding of books, and status updates of titles. The screen shows certain functions of the circulation system which facilitates the registration of members, maintenance of their status, knowing about the status of the titles in the library, maintenance of the database, interlibrary loan, collection of fine from members, and online searches. The circulation system provides for all the front desk operations of a library and give access to the titles that have been catalogued and indexed. The circulation system facilitates the registration of members, maintenance of their status, knowing about the status of the titles in the library, maintenance of the database, interlibrary loan, collection of fine from members, and online searches. The serial system of Libsys provides control to the periodical subscription and subsequent monitoring of the scheduled arrival of individual issues. It maintains records of the budget sanctioned for serials under different categories like amounts encumbered or expended, thus providing complete budgetary control. It maintains records of serial titles, vendors, publishers, budget heads, then currencies, exchange rates, etc., that are vital for the maintenance of serials database. It also handles serials which are received on gratis or in exchange. The major functions of the serial module can be seen on the screen, which includes subscription, issue management, article indexing, record keeping, enquiries, reports, system setup, housekeeping, stock verification, circulation, union catalog, and online searches. The article indexing module of the Libsys provides the facility to create and maintain a separate articles database. It facilitates special services like SDI, which is selective dissemination of information, listing of current articles, bibliographies, etc. It permits the indexing of the contents of serials in a way that they are easily retrievable with the help of online searches, documentation, or bibliographic options. The function of this module includes maintenance, retrievals, SDI, and miscellaneous options. OPAC, or Online Public Access Catalog of Libsys, provides the bibliographic database search. The system includes a word-based search facility using Boolean operators that can narrow down a search to meet very specific needs. The OPAC enables searches for titles, author, subject, classified, that is call number, or through publisher or place of publication with different search strategies and combination searches. The Web OPAC is the online public access catalog available through the internet and can be accessed online from anywhere around the world 24 by 7. This OPAC not only provides the searching through different parameters but also provides the facility to log in by the user and check the number of books issued to them. The user can check the history of his account for check-in and check-out. The user can also recommend a book or reserve a book issued to some other user. Now we will be discussing Libsys 7, which is a web-centric system based on Libsys, providing access through industry standards, that is web browsers. Libsys is quite comprehensive and covers functions in the following integrated modules. The value-added features of Libsys 7 from Libsys 4 includes browser-based web client, GWT compliant in web interface. Then we have full Unicode support, metadata like Mark 21 and Dublin Core, e-resource management, Z39.50, and then SRU compliant for net cataloging. Use of preferred RDBMS are there, like from Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL to PostgreSQL we can use. Then we have OAI PMH for harvesting OAI repositories, and another feature is like new web OPAC interfaces being available. Further, we have features like federated search engine is available through Z39.50. Then we have RSS feeds being included for providing additional information to the users. Then OPAC enrichment services for enriched bibliographic information like table of contents, cover image, summary, annotations, etc. can be given through OPAC. Then we have user reviews like rating of titles. Then Libsys 7 has the additional features like user feedback and recommendations are being available. We have library bulletin board in it. User defined reports can be generated from Libsys 7. Then add-on options for NICP compliance like NISO circulation interchange protocols are being available for integration with the RFID devices. Then add-on options for integration with ERP systems are also being available now. If we compare Libsys 7 with Libsys 4, as can be seen on the screen, we have a lot of additional features available in Libsys 7. The technology-wise Libsys 7 is superior as it is on complete web-based system and uses user interface based on Google Web Toolkit. The version 7 supports multitasking, and has centralized IP-based administrative console. It also provides federated searching of databases, including Libsys database on net, which has not been available with the Libsys 4. Libsys 7 fully supports Unicode for Indian and foreign scripts both and provides RDBMS backend. It also supports Mark 21 and Dublin Core for metadata. It implements tag 856 for electronic resources. It also has the option for holding data and authority data, journal data, and patron data in Mark 21, which was not available in Libsys 4. Further comparing, Libsys 7 provides net cataloging accessioning database with standard protocol such as Z39.50 SRU, including Libsys databases. It supports OAI PMH for metadata harvesting from OAI repositories in Mark XML. Libsys 7 has enhanced and enriched web opaque interface using Google Toolkit with powerful LS search. Libsys 7 provides RSS feeds for recent edition and reviews and rating of titles. It facilitates to select entries in search results in opaque for attaching in email or downloading. It also provides auto-indexing of newly added bibliographic records, thereby making available up-to-date opaque all the time. These all features were not available in Libsys 4 version. Libsys 7 has a web interface for report generator which enables customization of default reports in Libsys and defining new reports. Options for chart, graphics, representation are available in Libsys 7 for reports. It also provides automatic registration of journal issues through SICI barcode and integrates with existing ERP or MIS available. You can see on the screen the login page of Libsys 7 through the web browser. The screen shows Libsys 7 acquisition page with data entry option. On the left side of the menu of acquisition module is also shown. The screen shows Libsys 7 cataloging page with enter title option. Similar in this also, the left side of the menu is shown for the cataloging module. The screen shows Libsys 7 circulation page with checkout options. The left side similarly shows circulation module listing of the menu. The screen shows Libsys 7 serial control page with accessioning option. The left side of the menu shows screen module with its listing. The screen shows Libsys 7 article indexing page with add data option. The left side of the menu shows article module. The screen shows Libsys 7 opaque page with books and other document search options. The left side of the menu shows opaque module. This screen shows Libsys 7 administration page with accession number option. Left side of the menu is shown for the administration module. So let us summarize the module of the Libsys that Libsys Limited is providing a set of value-added services such as automated library software. It has digital resource management, open source GWT, that is Google Web Toolkit, and RFID based that is radio frequency identification is being available now. Libsys is an integrated multi-user library management software. We know it caters to the needs of an advanced library and information professionals and its users. It provides a tree structure system with each system comprising of several subsystems having unmatchable depth of functionality. Recently, as we know, it has introduced LS search apps for mobile devices which produce a quick, efficient and portable way of remaining connected to the libraries.